everybody, welcome back to my channel! Oh my god! You guess what's inside here? Can you guess? Can you guess what type of video we're gonna be posting today? We're gonna be talking about. I'm excited because this is the second video I've been doing about this category, something like that. I think so. Oh, anyways, yeah. Stay tuned because you're gonna be loving this. If you're new to my channel, you never seen my face, never heard about me. I mean, it's kind of sad that you haven't heard about me. Should be hearing about me. Anyways, hit the subscribe button. I mean, you're gonna love me anyways. You're gonna love me. Just subscribe. Like this video, even though you don't even know what I'm gonna talk about, but still like it, you know, just in case you forget. And follow me on social media. You can stalk me in there. You know, you have Instagram, Twitter. You know what? I think Twitter, I'm gonna remove Twitter because Twitter is fucking dead. There's nothing going on. All the all freaking people fighting. And I'm like, this whole cancel culture is like so bad. TikTok, I don't know. WordPress, I'm too lazy to write. So just Instagram. Is it right here? Right here, yes, Instagram. Just follow me on Instagram. So anyways, if you haven't seen my first video, I recommend you click over here. All this right here, I got it for free in Instagram. All this right here, not kidding. Everything that's right here, I got it from Instagram. Very exciting because you know what? Hey, you know, they gotta send you stuff for free. If you want them to talk about them, you know, expose them, you know, they gotta send you stuff for free. So pretty much all these products right here. I saw a brand saying, click here to receive your sample. I went there, I was like, girl, I want my sample, so I want that sample. So all this right here is about that. So we're gonna be unboxing it together. As you can see, I've been saving it because I've been wanting to talk about it. You know, I'm gonna let you know how to get free stuff on Instagram. So let's talk about the first item. So what do we have here? This is from Aniise. As you guys can see, I haven't opened it. So let's open it. I'm gonna leave a mess, but it's okay. I've been loving Aniise. I love that brand. It's so nice, especially for hair, like skincare. I have so many products from Aniise. So let's see what's inside here. They give you a little card. Okay, so it's a Pro Collagen Marine Cream, and it gives you a really good size product. Look at that. That's a really good size. It's like 0.5 blood, 15 millimeter, and it says here that it reduces the appearance of wrinkles, improves skin firmness, and dehydration. So that's a pretty size sample. Pretty nice. And so that's how it actually looks like. It looks like a little bottle. Send it to me like this. So that's not bad. Actually, I'm loving that. So I'm gonna put this aside. Now here's another product. This one is kind of more like a card, and this is from, doesn't say who it is from. Glam Glow. This is from Glam Glow. I'm not gonna use it. It's so little. Look at that little sample. But you know, it's a sample. But that's how they send it. So it's the Super Mud Clearing Treatment. That's how they send it. So small. It's not even gonna fit my whole face. Alright. And what's over here? I think this is from, doesn't say, but it's a sample from Estee Lauder. I believe this is kind of like a concealer. It's a new Double Wear Radiance Concealer. So it gives you all the samples for the which color you fit best. Pretty cool. It comes in 22 shades. They're not animal cruelty. Hey, it says here, get your free double 10-day sample. They never sent me that. Alright, let's see what's here. Oh, this is from It Cosmetics. Oh, wow, I cut it. Wow, that sucks. Well, yeah. So that's the It Cosmetics. You're an It girl. So this is a concealer. Oh, that's really, it's not bad of a size. Really not bad. So it's a concealer, it's a CC cream. I think I have one. I think I do. Yeah, I think I have the same sample. But it's pretty cool because it gives you a good sample that's gonna last you for a really long time. Okay, what's over here? So this is from, doesn't say who, really good sample. This is from Serum. Visible Tighter Brightening Skin. It's a peptide face serum. This is a really good size for a, but I imagine how big the other one looks, the actual size. But that's how little it is. So cute. Look at that. I never heard of this brand, but I just saw it that they were giving a free sample. I'm like, I'm gonna get it. It's a tightening and brightening face serum. Wow, I never heard of this brand. I'm gonna give it a try. Tighter brightening skin. I'm gonna try it so it gives you like right here how the product works. Ooh, we have a big box right here. Look at that big box. What's inside here? Let's see. Wow. Here, more samples. This is from This is from Macy's. I don't know how I got this sample, but I actually did. So it's a bunch of CK, Calvin Klein. We got some Viva La Juicy. We got some Mont Blanc. Michael Kors. Never tried Michael Kors. And Polo. It smells. But I can't remember how I got this sample and what happened to the other one. Okay, it's right here. Okay, so the one that got away is Bad Boy from Carolina Herrera. I wonder how this smells, but I'm gonna give it a try later because I want to keep going. Okay, box. Now it doesn't say where this box. Ooh, Estee Lauder. So this one is the Future Looks Bright New Perfectionist Pro Rapid Brightening Treat. Such a cute little bottle. Let's see. Oh my god, look how cute. I wonder how much product is in there. It's a rapid brightening treatment. Look how cute the bottle is. Look at that. That's so cute. So little. I have here, here's from Dolce & Gabbana. It's a perfume. Freaking exaggerating as fuck. Like, yeah, I'm so hot. And yeah, man, I'm so hot. Yeah, I'm so good at looking. Look at. Oh my god. Okay, so now we have another. I believe this is a foundation. It's from Estee Lauder. Yeah. So it gives us samples right here. And I believe it is a foundation. Left out for two, and this is from Elf Cosmetics. Let me see what they sent me. Okay, so it's a Holy Hydration face cream. It's so cute. It gives you a pretty amount of product. Look at that. That's pretty good. That's not bad. It's really good for some. I love it when brands like sends you a pretty good amount of product. Because you know how like this one right here. I mean, how can you try this? Not even, you know, it's not even nice. But this is so nice, and I love Elf Cosmetics. I love them. Their products are amazing. But I haven't tried their skincare, but I heard really good things about it. So I'm gonna see if I can get my hands on them because I wanna see what the fuss is about. So I gotta, you know. Okay, last product. Last but not least, what is this from here? What's in here? Another Taran Cashmere. So I believe this is also from Macy's. I don't know how I got my hands on Macy's, but it's kind of like a perfume. Donna Kata. And that's it. That's all the products that I got. Pretty good amount of products. I have a mess. I have all of them on the trash. All of them on the floor. Anyway. So, I'm gonna let you know how to get free product from Instagram. I'll give you an example. Usually, when you always scroll down, that's why you have to follow a bunch of brands. always follow brands, because the reason why they give out free products. So once you scroll down, you're gonna see brands saying, click here to claim your sample. Usually they always give a free item. You always have to make sure that you're clicking on it, and right away you have to get your sample. That's how I got all this. And you know what? As you guys can see right here, it says soak them out too. They're always giving out free samples. And as I said, they're not that bad. Like, look at this. This is gonna last me for almost like 2 weeks. And some of the products are pretty good on site, but doesn't hurt to try. Always check brands, always, as you always never know they're gonna give out free product. Maybe you even know they're gonna give out a full-size product. You never know. So always make sure to always scroll down on all the brands. Check out their Instagram, check out their Facebook. I don't go on Facebook that much, but always check it out, because you're always gonna find something free. So if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, comment below, and let me know what you think about this video. Was it very informative? I mean, let me know, have you done this? Have you gotten free samples from Instagram websites? You know, the brands that are on Instagram. Let me know on the comment section. Follow me on social media. You never know what you're gonna find on my social media, especially Instagram. I'm always on Instagram. I don't know if it's this one, I think it's this one. Follow me on Instagram, because you're always gonna find more ideas about this. Thank you guys so much for watching and checking out this video. Bye.